brother, Mr. Noodle. Hi, Mr. Noodle. Uh-oh. Mr. Noodle has the hiccups. Those are some hiccups, Mr. Noodle. Elmo knows a good monster way to get